Want to get extra trading benefits when creating your Quotex account? In this video, I'll show you the latest Quotex promo code, how to activate it correctly, and some important tips before you start trading. Let's dive into everything you need to know to get started with Quotex today. A Quotex promo code is a special code that may provide promotional benefits depending on the current offer. These offers can change over time, so always verify the latest terms before using any code. Using a promo code is simple. The first step is to visit the Quotex website and register your account. Next, enter the available promo code during the appropriate step if offered during the sign-up process. Complete your registration and check whether the promotional benefit has been applied correctly. Always ensure the promotion has been applied according to Quotex's current promotion guidelines. Promotional offers can help eligible users get additional value when starting their trading journey. However, bonus availability, eligibility, and conditions depend on Quotex's current promotional campaign. It's essential to always read the official terms to understand how to maximize these benefits. Trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for everyone. This is a crucial point to remember. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Responsible trading is the key to longevity. Learn proper risk management and understand the platform thoroughly before you start trading. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Quotex tutorials. We post regular updates on trading strategies and platform news to help you stay ahead. Check the first link in the description for the latest Quotex promotional offer and educational resources. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!